My Miele refrigerator is flashing a 122_F. I can't find anything in the owner's manual, but I suspect it has something to do with the ice maker.
When did you last replace your fridge's water filter? How old is the fridge?
I replaced the filter in early December. The unit is 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
I just noticed the flashing today, but ice production has been low for a day or two. I do have more stuff in the freezer since I stocked up on food in case of quarantine. Could that be an issue?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. That's about it.
Hello, I'm David. I'm a tech/owner with 18+ years of in-home appliance repair experience. I've done over 15K repairs, and my company is a factory-authorized servicer for Miele. I'll be helping you today. F122 is a fault code indicating the ambient air temperature sensor is faulty. This sensor will need to be replaced. It is mounted on the condenser, bottom left behind kick plate. This part can be ordered from Miele at ## see linked image for detail on part location. Please let me know if you have any other questions about this. If not, please remember to rate this interaction. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Before calling for service, I decided to try resetting the unit by turning it off at the circuit breaker. That seems to have done the trick.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.